If you wait long enough, the sun will rise for you one day. Will bring good news and new hopes for you. Will initiate significant changes in your life. Will give you the joy of realizing your dreams. Exactly 2 years ago, we dreamed together. We worked hard and got tired over time. But today, we received good news as a result of our efforts. We got positive results from our applications abroad, aiming to change our lives, contribute something to the world, and become better individuals. I got accepted into 1-year postgraduate programs in Canada. I got accepted into a master's program in Norway. And the most important news came from Australia. I received a fully funded acceptance for a PhD program from a university ranked in the top 100 worldwide. Previously, I had been rejected from the universities in Turkey where I applied for an academic position. After the good news, I thought about the past 2 years and realized that the only thing more important than someone saying, "I love you," is saying, "I believe in you." These results were the heralds of the significant change we aimed for, and they meant a lot to both of us. We shared our happiness. Then, at the sunrise, we sat down and decided which option would be better for us while enjoying our coffee. Very soon, we will be leaving this beautiful country and a beautiful city we have been living in. But where to? Will the future be what we think it will be?